Hi, I'm Chris Whitman with MarineMax Maryland, and today we're going to go over this brand new trade-in. This 2019 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer was just traded in, and she's in search of a new home, so we're here to find her one. Some of the highlights that I want to point out to her: she does have a submersible swim platform back here. This is sea deck running all the way through from stern to bow. I've got my shore power hookup. I've got plenty of storage back here. I'll show you real quick. All my fenders and lines fit easily back there along with my cleaning kit, and I still got room for other stuff. I do have a transom radio head here along with my freshwater wash down shower, so I can shower everybody off when they come out of the water. But this is truly my favorite part. This is our entertainment area. We do have the extended shore shade out right now. Give people a little extra shade. We could bring that in if people want to be in the sun. We've got a nice teak table here to match the shore shade, to match the flooring. We do have a wet bar with a fridge, as well as a trash receptacle back here. You'll notice that this is set up for everybody to hang around and enjoy each other's company. Sea Ray takes that to another level by simply making this reversible. So now when we're at anchor or we're in a marina, everybody can hang out. Of course, my favorite spot is the helm station right here. We do have individual bolsters. We've got joystick piloting. This is all Mercury digital throttle, twin Simrad screens. Pretty much everything we need for the boat. And notice that this is all open air. This does have a full isinglass set because this boat does have heat and AC for below and the cockpit, and I can really extend my season this way. Sea Ray 320 Sundancer, this is the boat that really did the crossover for us. We combined the fact that everybody likes our bow riders with the one that actually has a cabin. So I've got room for 3 people up here. I have my own fusion head unit here. I've got cup holders. There is a cover for this. I do have a table that conveniently stows away, so I can have additional, if we want to eat up here, we can do that. So we now have multiple areas for people to hang out in, and nobody's feeling cramped. However, the day has to end at some point, and at some point we're going to need to go to bed. So in a 32-foot boat, we're able to walk down and have headroom as soon as we walk in. The best thing about this is on a 32-foot is not feeling claustrophobic at all. I've got a V-berth set up here that also converts to a table. I do have a TV in the V-berth. I have set it up right now for aft sleeping. So this will actually separate into 2 different couches. I have a TV back there as well, but it's an amazing amount of room back there. And then, of course, nature happens. We are going to want a shower. We are going to want a full head. So this is really set up as a wonderful weekender that I can spend a lot of time entertaining as many people as I feel comfortable with. I also have a microwave and a second fridge down here. Come on back up, because this is where the party really happens. So I forgot to mention that we do have a sunroof that opens here. So fully in control of how much shade or sun I have in this entire area. This is where we're all going to be hanging out and sitting around. So make yourselves at home. Better yet, come on down, get on board. My name's Chris Whitman with MarineMax Maryland. We look forward to seeing you.